Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I check the oil on my UPR oil catch can. This little device serves a huge purpose. It basically keeps any excess oil from the manifold, or in this case, my supercharger head unit. As you can see, it routes all the way to the supercharger head unit. Since I already have the front bumper from doing a quick headlight restoration on my Mustang, if you missed that, go check out my other reel. The results were pretty insane. I was pleasantly surprised and I was pretty happy with the results. I can easily access the UPR oil catch can right from the passenger side. All we have to do is basically twist the can. As you can see, it's twisting right there. Just be careful to spill any excess oil that might be built up inside the can. Wow, that's a lot of oil. Again, this is my first time checking the oil catch can since I've installed it. It's been on the car for about a year and a half, maybe even 2 years. Really, I can't remember, but just goes to show you the UPR oil catch can does its job. It catches all that excess oil from basically going back